Hello and welcome to the presentation of the Group 38 in the course of Digital Electronics. The project I have chosen is the Never Lose project, which aims to create a prototype which will play like a dinosaur jumping game. We will first start with a brief demonstration of our prototype, and then we will look at the different functionalities we have implemented. As you can see, we have two servo motors, which will control the jump and the crouch actions of the dinosaur. I will start the game and hold them down to be sure that the buttons are indeed pressed. So as you can see on the screen, we have two photoresistors which detect oncoming obstacles and send signals to the servo motors to press the button to either jump or crouch. As you can see, we're already at 200. We have now reached a score of approximately 350. Now 400. We have already reached scores of around 500 to 600, but this is in rare occasions where the obstacles are not too close to each other. In this case, I think they were a bit too close and the photoresistor didn't have time to detect them. We will now look over the different functionalities we have implemented in this project. So we can first notice the presence of two photoresistors which are taped to their screen. These photoresistors will trigger the appropriate servo motors when either an obstacle on the bottom part of the screen or on the top part of the screen is detected. So we can use our mouse cursor to verify that. So this indeed will trigger the servo motors. You can also trigger these manually. So using these buttons, so for example, this button will trigger the jump, and the left button will trigger the crouch. We can also use our keyboard. This button will trigger the crouch, and this button will trigger the jump. You can also notice that LEDs illuminate when we either jump or duck. These LEDs here. D1 and D2 will illuminate when jump is triggered, and D3 and D4 will illuminate when duck is triggered or crouch. We also have the presence of an LCD screen, which will show us the score and the timer of the game we are playing. We can reset the score by using this button, which will set it to 0. The timer to start again, we have to press jump. As you can see, whenever we press jump, jump appears on the LCD. Same for duck. Every time we press duck, the duck display on the LCD.